Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol DCGD. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Rough day today. In fact, in technical jargon, this is what we would call a gap and trap. What is a gap and trap if you're new? Well, on Monday, the price closed right here, and then this morning, the price opened up there. So hence the gap. But then this is where the pretty brutal part occurred. After the price opened up, to think some poor souls were buying up there. And then from that point forward, it just went essentially trended downwards the remainder of the day. So that is the trap portion. So like I said, if you were to summarize this one very quickly, you could just call it a gap and trap on the day. But overall, the chart is still bullish. And what do I mean by that? Well, I'm going to go ahead and actually adjust this level down because I realize it can sound crazy for me to call this overall chart bullish. But think about this level down here at 30 cents. And I'm not saying the price is headed down there, but just to kind of illustrate the idea here, let's say that the price did go down to 30 cents, behave like that, and then start to work its way back upwards. What would you still have? Emphasis on big picture. Well, from the big picture point of view, you'd still have lows right there. You'd have a big base of lows right there. You'd have some lows right there. And then you'd have these lows down there from before things woke up. And if you envision each of those as stair steps, well, then from the big picture, you still very clearly have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And that's what you want to see, assuming you care about the big picture point of view and just building an overall uptrend. Now, I get it. If you're some sort of day trader flipper and you bought there, you bought right there, and you wanted to buy and sell within 10 minutes, then from that point of view, yeah, I get it. Then you don't care about these stair steps. But if you care about more so the grand scheme of things, then sure, today the price pulled back. But stop and think about that word, today, as in 1 day. Looking at multiple days, which is what we're doing here, you can see the price still has plenty of opportunity to chip away and build an overall higher base. So let's see if the bulls can get that job done or not accomplished this week. Still 3 days left, so let's see if they can indeed stabilize the price and build that higher low. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.